Hey guys, so we left Senoia and now we're in Harrelson, and we are going to be going on a Walking Dead tour. So we're really excited. But see, here we go, the Walking Dead Tours and Gift Shop, the ultimate experience. So we are really excited to have the ultimate Walking Dead tour experience. And now I'm gonna bring you around to the front of the gift shop in the entrance. And I thought you guys would definitely get a kick out of this. But look at that, brain freeze shaved ice. Isn't that funny?
Oh, hey everybody.
Yeah, this is definitely, you can easily see just scenes and backdrops from the TV series in the buildings.
Yeah.
They're just so old and run down.
Apparently this area, look at all the movies that were filmed here. Fried green tomatoes.
Oh, check it out. Okay.
I took pictures of it.
So we have Driving Miss Daisy.
Mama Fiora, don't know what that is.
Never heard of that. Lawless, Rainy Season, The Walking Dead, The Unseen, and Superfly.
Superfly makes me happy.
Very cool. And apparently Drop Dead Diva, the TV show, was also filmed in Senoia. And I might not have heard correctly, but this town is Harrelson.
Yes.
Okay.
Check it out. Pet Cemetery.
Oh, here we go, even more.
Fried green tomatoes. The War in 1996.
Okay, The War, Fried Green Tomatoes, Pet Cemetery, Footloose.
The new Footloose.
Oh, ugh.
The bad Footloose.
Yeah, the bad one. Moonrunners, Joyful Noise, The Immortal Life of Henrietta.
Joyful Noise. Oh, that was that Dolly Parton movie.
Oh, it was? Okay.
I think I saw it.
This is kind of cool right here, too.
Harold's and Jim.
See, look at all these old rundown buildings.
I want to show you something. Keep walking forward.
Okay. See, check that out. You know, this easily could look like the part of the governor's town where Daryl came across his brother Merle, who the governor killed and became a zombie. And funny you mentioned that. Oh my God, there's Merle.
Merle, we miss you.
Yeah, we miss you, Merle.
You were just starting to get nice.
You were becoming very nice. And then you became a zombie. You sure did. And speaking of zombies, oh my God, what the heck? Ooh, check this out. Oh my God, is that Daryl? Oh my God, it's Daryl. It's Daryl. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my God, it's Daryl.
I know.
How are you? Nice to meet you. We're inside the Walking Dead tour gift shop. You know, the first official Walking Dead store we were in was really, really cool. But, you know, of course, it was very neat and nice and pristine. And now we're at the Walking Dead tour gift store, and this is really, really cool. It's just in this old rundown building, which just adds to its character. And they just have all kinds of cool stuff. Right here you can do green screen photos, and you have options of wearing all these different outfits that are of the different characters. Like obviously there's Negan's jacket, here's Rick's sheriff's shirt, and we're just gonna kind of walk around here. I love the old RC Cola. Oh wow, these pillows are really cool.
Do we need this for our garden, by the way? It's an undead garden now.
Oh my God, that's adorable. That's adorable.
I love it.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, here's a cool gnome right here too. I love it. That is so cool and creepy. Ooh, ah, zombies. Ah, ah. Oh, look, little mini Lucille's.
Let me help you out. You make that bigger?
There we go.
If you pick that weapon, you have to take the baby with it. You missed that part.
There you go.
I raise his hand.
Good deal. Got it. Yes, ma'am.
I missed the conversation, but I will take Lucille, I guess. Lucille.
You chose wisely.
You chose wisely.
You chose wise. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So here we are, fully armed, following our tour guide Daryl, who's only just slightly reminiscent of the character Daryl from The Walking Dead, and we're about to venture onto the spooky old abandoned main street of downtown Harrelson, Georgia, which has been used by many a film crew over the years. And we're about to encounter, zombies, hey watch out, we have plastic weapons. So the gray building, coming up on the left, was used for the famous meeting scene between Rick and the evil governor. It didn't go well. And there's Jason and me and our zombie apocalypse family in front of that very same infamous building. Here we are walking up to a multi-purpose location. It was used as a pharmacy in Season 2 and as a bar in Season 3. It was where Herschel got drunk. Now, many of these buildings in Harrelson were used for that one episode I was talking about, where the governor and Rick meet, and that iconic building with the triangular shapes was a prime location for this episode. In real life, it was a historic cotton gin.
We're about midway through the zombie tour. This place is just, we're having a lot of fun. But this is in the episode where they're meeting the governor for the first time. And Rick's crew is coming up between the wall and the silos. And they come out through here into the open area. And then they walk over between these silos. And then this is also later in the episode where Daryl and Andrea and a couple of the governor's men hear a bunch of noise, and they are doing a little bit of damage on some zombies right over in this area. So this is where our zombie / Daryl tour guide is taking photos of us basically getting our heads smashed with a bat. So that should be fun.
Now come straight. Stop. Right there. Can I have your head? Put this foot back. Back down just a hair. Down, down, down with the bat.
Hey, remember this building from earlier with all the triangular details? So, in the episode, Daryl's brother Merle is about to meet a very untimely end. This is the place where poor Daryl has to kill his already dead, now undead brother. But before all this goes down, Merle actually tries to do the right thing. He lures a bunch of zombies to distract the governor's lackeys. And so he grabs his gun, he heads inside the building, and he starts shooting at all the lackeys. And you're finally like, oh my god, yes, Merle, you finally did the right thing. You're finally doing something noble. And by the way, here I am reenacting Merle's nobility. This is the only time, by the way, that I was allowed to put down plastic baby Judith. So anyway, all hell's breaking loose, and Merle's taking down the governor's men left and right, but no, he gets caught, and the governor finds him, and he catches him, and he confronts him, and he brutally kills him in this very dirty, very dusty former cotton gin. So here we go, here's Merle dying for the first time. Only Merle, of course, does not stay dead. Merle is now very much undead, and he's clearly very hungry, and he's kind of like, hey, little bro, you look like a steak. And this is the big, sort of super intense, super emotional Emmy bait moment for Daryl, where he's crying. He's like, oh no, my brother, he finally did the right thing, and now he's dead, and now I have to kill him again. And again. And again. Dang, Daryl. So we're just going to leave Daryl to have a good cry, and we're going to leave you guys with some moments from the fabulous photo shoot at the end of our tour that we had with our zombie apocalypse family. There we are. Don't we look tough? Anyway, I cannot recommend this tour enough if you are a Walking Dead fan. I also cannot recommend enough not going for the hammer and baby combo, and instead choosing an amazing samurai sword. Thanks, Harrelson, Georgia, for all the super undead fun.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.